Itanya ria kwandandura urimi wa mahua riukite oriri Kambuni nyingi na iria yuikaine kumana na uhandi na wendia wa mahua mwena wa Naivasha ithiete na mbere o kuhinga mirango yacio. Ikinya riri riukite kuriukia mwihoko kuri makiri ma aikari itura riri aria matuire macaritie mawira. Murugamiriri munene wa Kambuni ino James Waweru akiuga gukinyiria riu mari na aruti wira 4,500 namba iria itanyitwo guthie na mbere kwongerereka.
We have created at least 4,500 permanent jobs, not to mention the indirect beneficiaries that basically benefit from the park.
Kambuni ino iria yambiriirio mwaka-ini wa 1998 ikoretwo igitongoria hari magetha na wendia wa mahua kuri mabururi ma ruraya.
At the moment, the flower business park, which comprises at least 7 different farms, exports a minimum of 1 million stems every day to markets in Europe, the Middle East, the Far East, the United States.
Thengia ya mahua Kambuni ino no ihandaga indo itiganite ta mboga na matunda, magetha maya magitwarwo thoko-ini cia nanja o muthenya.
Touching about 1 million seedlings a day. We are talking roughly between 20 to 25 million seedlings a month. That's going all over the country to different farmers. If it's tomato, cabbages, fruit trees, onions, we are just doing any crops.
Rosemary Achieng ni umwe wa aruti wira agitugiria mieke iria mahetwo kiwira orodo mwena gutongoria ta atumia.
Most of the time huwa kuna trainings ambazo zinafanyika hapa kazini, awareness, na hata ukikuta kwa kamati ambazo ziko huwa tunachagua kulingana na percentage ambayo iko. Ukienda kwa kila kamati unakuta wamama, namba ya mama iko juu na huwa wanawakilisha.
Gicunji kinene kiao ni atumia aria matari athuri na uguo magakenera mweke uyu kuona ni mahotete gwikuria ona kurugamia micii yao. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandĩra.